Hello, this is Jivira Reddy, lecturer in Computer Science, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khammam district. Today my topic is operating system. In this operating system, first we see the disk operating system, that is MS-DOS. MS-DOS means Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is used for the personal computer, that is PC, throughout the in 1980s. The marketing of MS-DOS were pivotal in the Microsoft Corporation transition to software industry. Here, MS-DOS is the almost first operating system. It is called as a DOS, disk operating system. In this disk operating system, we see the screen like this. See here all files, and end of the screen we have a C colon, and then in this disk operating system an American computer programmer Peterson developer for Sattel Computer Products wrote the original operating system for the Intel Corporation 8086 processor in 1980. Initially called it QDOS, Quick and Direct Operating System. Before DOS, it is called as the QDOS, DOS, Quick and Direct Dirty Operating System. Dirty operating system, which was soon renamed in DOS 86 DOS. A year later, company Microsoft purchased executive rights to sell the system renamed as MS-DOS to IBM for their newly developed IBM PC. IBM compatible versions were marketed as PC-DOS. Version 1.0 was released in 1981. Additional upgradation versions kept pace with the rapidly evolving PC. Windows 95 introduced by Microsoft in 1995. Incorporated MS-DOS 7.0, but ultimately the MS-DOS platform, starting with Windows NT, Microsoft operating system, were designed independently of MS-DOS, though they were capable for running some MS-DOS applications. Here we see in MS-DOS, first it named as QDOS, Quick and Dirty Operating System, developed in 1980. Then that was renamed in 86 DOS 1 year later. The next its name changed as MS-DOS. Here in 1995, Windows 95 was introduced by Microsoft. A rapid change was developed DOS disk operating system to Windows operating system. Then the 1995 to and then the Microsoft developed same number of versions, suppose Windows NT, like that they developed operating system. here we see the in MS-DOS we see the internal and external commands to operate and delete and modify or rename or change directories or anything can done by MS-DOS. In MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, we see the internal and external commands. The internal commands are first internal command. We see time, display current time and allow to it the changed. Then it was you displays the time of the now the time, and the syntax is time. Date, it displays the date. You want to change the date, you may change it. And CLS, clear the screen. Every command, internal command, before internal command automatically C prompt is there. In this C prompt we write it as the time or date or CLS. If the time is already fixed, if you want to change the time for any modification, you may change the time and date also. Here CLS means clear the screen. If you write a number of DOS commands, the screen is fully confused or fully filled, then you may clear the screen. You write it as the CLS, that is clear the screen. Next, director, dir, directory. Okay, show directory information of diskette, name, size and date of the time. Here syntax dir within the brackets D, that is the path, optional switches. Displays the information, pause displaying when the screen is full. By W, displays the name of the extension only in 5 columns. Here by D, directory. By P means display the full screen. By P, W means it displays the name only the 5 columns. To display the file directory, listening for D, date, by lecture, by annual form, different current directories, like that. What you want, you may write it. Okay, you may go to the different directories by page wise or by word wise. Here D colon date by HR by annual, directory D data, directory lecture by annual. C Windows dir D date by lecture by annual. Here we see the dir. Here show directory information of diskette, name, size and the date of the time here. Then directory displays the what files you have in the directory, what files you have in the hard disk, or what files you have in the C drive or D drive or any drive, what drive you want, you check the we check in the dir and it displays the total files in the directory. Then copy is used to copy the copies file name, and copy may be same as original or different. Syntax copy d path name.txt, d path name optional switches. Copies files compares it with the original D binary file. The copy from a file from D batch to root of a drive. Here you want to copy any file, you may write the file copy and the file can be saved in other location. You may directory displays the the path of the directory. Here this is the root of copy one file to another place. Here a last column you see copy star dot star a colon to d colon c c v e n g c o m p from a. Here copies all files of a column to it displays on it copies paste from the d. Here you go to the third line to copy a file from the root C to A drive and change its name. Here A copy C colon ms-dos dot sys system ms-dos sys dot bak from A C column copy the ms-dos system A ms-dos sys dot bak from the root of C. Here the root C to A drive change its name. Type displays the contents of a file. Syntax. Okay, type the path name exe. Displays the content of the my alert to the screen. Del delete from the disk. Syntax del D drive path name ext. Example a colon del a my let. It displays the current directory. Delete all files from the current directory. Star dot star means deletes all the file extension files can be deleted all files here. REN means rename the file name. Here rename d path name and d path rename new rename. The change the name of the file. So for suppose here DLET annual 99.doc to 99.doc. DLET rename annual by 99.doc 9999.doc from DLET. Here we see the you changed the name. Then here change the rename the file name here. MD means make a directory new directory. If you in the C drive you may in the C drive you may in the suppose our name GV Reddy and you may create a new directory. You may create a new directory name and then in the new directory you may create number of files in the new directory. The path may be one step is increased. Okay, to create a directory name here we see syntax md d drive path directory name dir name. To create a directory name hermit in the root of D drive. Here directory md hermit from D. Here C drive md D drive hermit from C drive. Here we see the directory names. Directory you create the make directory here. Then rd removes the existing directory. It is used to remove the already existing directory. Here to remove the hermit and subdirectory d rd hermit from D drive. Here rd D drive to hermit from C drive. Here we delete the remove the hermit to subdirectory to directory. If you want to delete directory or subdirectory or any directory, that is RD means remove directory. CD change the current directory. Here to make HRMIT to current directory, D drive you may in the D drive change directory HRMIT from D. From D means it is optional. It is you write for the understanding purpose. We write for the understanding purpose. Here D drive change HRMIT. Here one backslash is here. You may change the one path, one place to another location, directory another one directory to another directory. D data source and change HRMIT. Here we changed the current directory to another directory. Then these are the internal commands for in MS DOS. Once again we see the internal commands. First one is time. Time command is used to display the time, and if you want to change the time you may change it, and then date is displays the date, and then the you want to change the any modifications in the day you may change it, and CLS clear the screen, it is used to clear the screen. That the screen is, if the screen is full, then you may clear all the data displays on the screen and it is clear. And then dir is used to display the directory list and the files list in the directory. You want to see the full screen of the directory by you have a, suppose you have a 200 files in this. You may click a dir command. You write a dir command, it displays the 200 files at a time, not displays in the screen. So you may write as dir by p, it displays the one screen, one full screen directories list, and then you may enter the next screen will be appear, and then you want to a limited number of files, you may write it dir by p, dir by w, it displays extensions of only for the 5 columns only. Copy is used to copy a file, and then here a copy can be used in one directory to another directory. Type displays the contents of the file, displays the contents of the file name files. Del is used to delete the file from the disk, it is deletes the file from the disk. You want to delete any file, you may use to delete command. Rename renames the file, any file you want to rename the file, you may use the ren rename. MD means make a directory, you want to create. Now in Windows you may creating a for suppose we creating a folder like that in a MD means make a directory. You may create a new directory in the drive, any drive, C drive or D drive, any drive. You may create a drive or make a directory. Then RD removes an existing directory, it is used to remove the already existing directory, or you may create a directory may remove. Then CD, it change the directory. You may in the one directory you want to change the, if you in C drive, in C drive you may in HRMIT directory you want to change the one directory to another directory, you may use it as the CD change directory. Then next external commands. Here external commands are these commands graphically displays the path of each directory and subdirectory in given drive. Here tree, this command graphically displays the path of each directory and subdirectory in given drive. Displays the directory and subdirectory given file. For suppose syntax C tree, then more, it displays the one screen of data at the time and used to another command when one screen is full. It press any key on the next screen is displayed. Syntax C colon type abc.doc or more. It displays the full screen, one screen. If you want to more, enter the screen, enter the command, press any key, it displays the next screen. Edit. The command loads the MS-DOS editor where you can edit files, create new file, open existing file. Here syntax C colon edit file name. Edit is used to edit you can edit files, create new files or existing files. You may use edit file name. And then label. A label is a name given to a disk which refers to collection of files and directories on the disk. Here see label, it displays the name given in the disk, refer to collection files and directories. Label means it displays the name given in the disk. For suppose C colon label A. Sort, this command is used to sorting data and displaying the result on the screen. Sorting, you may sort the file names, you may syntax for C colon directory sort by reverse order or ascending order or descending order, whatever it may be. Here we see the format command used to disk magnetic employees to the series tracking in the sectors and the addressable by the DOS version. Syntax format A by \s. This means here we format the total disk. Disk will be fully clean up and it is used for the write a fresh one. Okay, here format command is used many times. It is a, if you have in the file you have any errors or any virus, you may format the total file or a total total file or total drive can be formatted by the DOS. It is clean up. Batch files. All batch files on DOS must have the 5 extension on the bat to execute the batch files. The user have just type the file name and press enter key. A addition to usual DOS commands. Here this command can be used to display the message on the screen. ECH echo can be used to display the message on the screen. Pause when the command is obeyed, the screen system waits for the user to press a key by displaying a line. Strike a key when ready. Here once again we see the external commands. You have a internal and external commands in the Microsoft DOS. Here the external commands are, there are tree is displays the path of the directory, subdirectory, given drive. This is a tree, means the roots or the path of the directory and subdirectory given drive. More, it displays the screen of the date at the time, and use it to with any other command with the on screen. It is full. If you press any key on the next screen will display it. Edit, the command loaded the MS-DOS editor where you can edit files or create new files. The edit can be used. A label is displays the label name here. Given a disk with refer to a collection of files and directories on the disk. Sorting is used to sort the directories in ascending order or descending order. Format can be used as format the total. Format means not only deletion, the total disk address and magnetic employees, arranging random. It is totally tracking can be cleaned up. Here the format is used to maybe format the files or format the drive. Then batch files have the extension of batch. Execute the batch files. Just type a file name and press the enter key. In addition to usual DOS commands, echo can be used to display the message on the screen. Pause command is displays the press a key displaying a line, strike a key when ready. Here these are the external commands we seen. Today we seen the MS-DOS Microsoft Disk Operating System. It is used for PCs, personal computers. Throughout in 1980s, it was developed in 1980s. In 1980s, the American computer programmer Peterson developed the this operating system. It is developed by Intel Corporation. 8086 microprocessor, initially called as QDOS, Quick and Dirty Operating System, which was renamed as 86 DOS. Then 1 year later, renamed as 86 DOS. The many modifications of the DOS, then IBM PC, IBM compatible version were marketed as PC DOS. Version 1.0 was released in 1981. Additional upgradation version kept pace with the rapidly evolving PC Windows 95, introduced by Microsoft in 1995. In 1995, incorporated in the 1995 Windows incorporated MS-DOS 7.0. Here MS-DOS starting with Windows NT, Windows operating system, many number of versions were released through Windows. Then this is a screen for the Microsoft Disk Operating System. Here see in the last screen we see last line we see the C prompt. You write any internal or external commands. Here you write the dir here. It displays these are all the display directories displays in the screen. You may enter, you may write it here dir, click on the enter, the directories will be displayed. You may write any command, internal and external commands, write here only. Then we see the internal and external commands of the disk operating system. Internal commands mainly used for the we see the time or date or change directory, rename directory, or small modifications, or creating a directory, or make a change a directory, rename a directory can be used. External commands can be used. Main commands can be used as the format command, a path command. The major commands will be on the external commands, external DOS commands also. Here this is the disk operating system.